Welcome back, everyone. Continuing with Allah Aleik Ya Seedy. We're gonna add a little more to the choreography that we've learned, adding some arms and extra layers to it. So give them a go. If you're still finding the first level challenging, stick with that. This will be here for whenever you're ready. So start off with those piston hips, we're gonna add some arms. The arms are just gonna go up and down through the center. Up and down through the center. And we have 8 counts for that. So 8 hips, arms are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 to come up and 4 to come down. Good. Then when we have our hip circles, either stay with it if that's still a challenge for you, or we're going to start to travel with them. So out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Other side. Again, this is broken down in my technique classes on my Patreon, so you can check them out there. Let's do it with the traveling and the arms. 2 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we've got our hip drops. There's a little pause while we collect onto your leg. And drop, 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 drop. Arms are free here. You don't want to do too much with them. It's a little distracting. Keep them here, 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 here. Whatever you like. You move them a little bit. Change other side. Da, 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 da. Then shimmy. Bring the arms down the body. Down, 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 down. So you've done your hip drops. Bring the arms up, feet together. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Into our hip bump. And then we're going for our figure eights. And again, with the figure eights, the arms are just here. Relax at the side. Well, not relax. But they're not overdoing anything. The focus is on those hips, drawing that nice, juicy figure eight. Just let the arms be natural. Maybe a few little wrist swirls. Tiny bit of snaky arms, just relaxed. Good. All right. Let's do that from the top with music. Piston hips with the arms. Here we go. Lift, lift, 3, 4, through the center. Hip circles traveling too slow. Good. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little pause while we collect for those drops. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Other side. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Arms up. Shimmy. Hip bump. Figure 8. Playing with some loose and gentle arms. Good. All right. So from there we have our hip bumps. Forward and side, forward and side. Now you can double that. Bum, bum, ba-ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba-ba-dum. Other side. Bum, bum, ba-ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, bum, bum. And back to the center. So exactly the same movement, we're just making it smaller and quicker. So instead of doing bum and bum, we're going bum, 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 bum. So the hip is moving less. Still, it's the knee and the hip. Boom, 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 boom. Good. So let's try that. And we can add some arms as well. So when we're going forward, the arms are just going to stay here. When we go to the side, you can cross the arm over and frame your face. The other arm stays to the side. So you're kind of lightly touching your cheek. You don't even have to touch it. Just framing your face here. Bam, bam. And having a little look, like you're looking over your shoulder at your hip as it's moving. Can't actually see my hip. Maybe you can. But just a little look over the shoulder. Bam, bam, ba-ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba-ba-dum. Close, other side. Bum, bum. Forward and look. Like a little bit cheeky. And close. Then we're going back to the top. This time we have 16 counts on those piston hips. So we're bringing the arms down to the center and back up the other way. And down, then we have our hip circles. Let's try 4 quick traveling. Remember, quicker means smaller. Other side. Bum, 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 around. And then our hip drops and everything repeats. So let's do the whole thing with music, trying to add in those extra elements. Ready with those arms and hips. Lift, 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 lift to the center. Hip circles, let's do 2 slow. Other side. Chest is lifted. A little pause while we collect. Bam. Drop, 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 drop. Other side. Drop, 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 drop. Together. Shimmy. And figure 8. Let's try that double, double. Other side, double. Back to the top. Up with those arms, reaching. Other way. Let's try 4 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Drop, 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 drop. Shimmy. Hip bump. Figure 8. Breathing. Those hip bumps. Bump, bump. Close, other side. Back to the top. And play with it. Play with your expressions. With the way you feel while you're dancing. And 1, and 2, and 3, and other side. Hip drops. Shimmy. Hip bump. Figure 8. A little pause. Up. The more you do it, the more you listen to the music, the more you can play with it, because you know what to expect. Shimmy. And give me a pose. Excellent. Well done. Hope you enjoyed that. Leave me a comment, give me a like, subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, let me know how you found it. Let me know what level you're at. You can tag me on Instagram, nataliaadera belly dance. I would love to see them and see how you're getting on, or send them to me. And yeah, I will see you next time with another choreography. Bye.